Let's talk about the IELTS speaking and some of the most recent questions that were asked in September 2021. I got these questions as always from the students who wrote the exam from our institute and also from our very supportive YouTube community. I will be giving out some sample answers. Please do not try to copy them, but only use it as a reference. In addition, please bear in mind, these questions will keep changing from center to center. Let's start learning. Alright, so the IELTS speaking basically has three parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3, and the total duration of the IELTS speaking would be between 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not going to go into detail about each of those parts because I've already done it in the previous video. Please check it out and learn something, okay? So here we go. Today I'm going to discuss about three vocabularies, and they are jeans, public holidays and playing. For the exam, they're not going to tell you the vocabulary is this, these are the questions. They are just going to keep giving you the questions. Okay, so here we go now with the first vocabulary list of jeans. The first question is, do you like to wear jeans? Yes, as a matter of fact, it is my most preferred form of clothing and I wear it every single time I step out of my house. The second question, how often do you wear jeans? As earlier mentioned, it is my preferred piece of clothing and I think I would wear it 3 to 4 times a week because those are the number of times I actually step out of my house. The third question, did you wear jeans when you were younger? Well, not that much because when I was doing my schooling, we had to wear a uniform and that included a formal dress. And very rarely I think, only a couple of times we actually got the chance to wear jeans. The third question, what did you like about jeans? Well, apart from the affordability, which is a very important factor, I would say it is the comfort and ease of wearing the jeans that actually makes it a very desirable piece of clothing. Now let's move on to the next vocabulary, which is public holidays. And the first question is, what public holidays do you celebrate in your country? We have numerous public holidays in my country, which is India. Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Republic Day are some of the most popular ones. The next question, which public holiday do you like the most? That would definitely be the Independence Day of my country, which is on August 15th. What do you do during that holiday? Well, apart from watching a few TV shows, I prefer to spend a lot of my time reading about the Indian freedom struggle and also watching some movies or documentaries relating to that same subject. The fourth one, do you think there should be more public holidays in your country? Yes, definitely. I feel there should be more public holidays because that would give people more time to reflect on the fundamentals of how my country achieved their independence, and also it would give people some time to be at their home with their family. Let's now move on to the next vocabulary. But wait, before that, if you're getting some value out of this video, please make sure to hit that like button. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, which is playing. And the questions are, first one, when you were a child, where did you like to play? I lived in a flat and we had a big playground right in front of it. This was our favorite spot and our only spot where we could actually do some outdoor games. Second question, Did you prefer playing indoors or outdoors? I always prefer to play outdoors. I like outdoors because it gives me an opportunity to run around and flex a couple of my muscles. Third question, what kinds of games did you play? My friends and I used to play a variety of games, but the most popular ones were cricket and basketball. The fourth one, do kids benefit more from playing outside? Yes, definitely they do. When you are playing something outside, you get a bigger area to run around and do some physical activity. This will in turn keep the child more fit and more active. Now let's move on to part 2. For the part 2, I'm not going to be giving out some sample answers. I will give you a question. You can pause the video for a minute, take some time, and then speak about the same in the next 2 minutes. You can record yourself and listen to whatever you have said, or if you want me to check it, please drop it in the comment section right below. So here we go with the part 2. Describe a family member you spend a lot of time with. You should say who this person is, what you usually do together, what kind of person he or she is, and explain why you spend the most time with him or her. You may pause the video and do your little activity from now. Okay, brilliant. So with that, now we are moving on to our part 3. But wait, before that, we would love to have you on our YouTube community. And for that, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we drop a new video. Now let's move on to the part 3. Here also, I will not be giving out any sample answers. However, I will be giving out the questions. You can pause the video, give out your answers, record it, and if you want me to check it, you know what to do. Put it in the comment section right below. So here we go with the speaking part 3. What are the advantages of strong family relationships? How many generations are usually living under one roof in your country? What are the benefits and drawbacks of a family of several generations living together? Do both parents have equal responsibilities in taking care of their children? Okay, so that would be the end of our speaking session for today. Let me know in the comment section if you got any of these questions, and if yes, how did you answer it? If you are serious about your goals and would like to get some expert guidance for your IELTS preparation, then all you have to do is log on to our website and get in touch with us. Talking about get in touch with us, if you want to get in touch with me personally or directly, then all you have to do is drop your details in the contact form right below. I've put it up as a pinned comment and I will personally give you a call back. Check out some of our other videos that will be popping up and feel free to share this video if it was informative. Till we meet again, this is your tutor, Noel, wishing you a fantastic day ahead. Ciao.